Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to see about document object model.
Let's watch this amazing video.
I think it is ninth tutorial. So up to now we didn't practice anything. You may think it is like a theoretical tutorials. Guys, if you need to develop or design any website, we need to know all these things. So that's why I explained each and everything clearly. So with upcoming tutorials, it's like a hands-on experience. Totally we are going to write the code and execute in browser how it was working. We are seeing in upcoming tutorials, so no need to worry about that. So in this tutorial we are going to discuss about DOM. It is also called as a document object model. So before going to work with HTML syntax or tags and how to write the code and what we are writing the code, which is it working in all the devices and all the browsers, so we need to check, right? So before we need to check that, we need to know what is DOM. It is also called as document object model. HTML5 basis of HTML, CSS, DOM and JavaScript. Document object model provides common tree-like structure that all pages should follow. So HTML is built on the DOM. So that's why if you're going to work with HTML tags, syntax, we need to know what is DOM. So that's why I'm doing this tutorial. I already said it is in like tree structured. Of course it is in tree structured. First of all we are having document, so it specifies which document we are using, like HTML, JavaScript, CSS, whatever it may be, it specifies that. And we are using like HTML tag. That means HTML includes head tag as well as body tag. In head tags we are having title, meta. So if you want to write any title of that program, you can write. And in coming to body tag, we can write all the thing in body. So if you want to display any content in the website, so we can write in body tag. So every tag what the specifies, everything will explain in upcoming tutorial, that while explaining in HTML5 syntax and tags, then you can understand very clearly. So this structure is very important. First of all HTML tag must, in that tag having head tag, body tag. So that's why DOM is very important. So every if you are writing any code in anywhere, so this structure you should follow. So that's why I did this tutorial. I hope you understand what is DOM. So DOM is very important in HTML5. I'll come with another tutorial which is HTML5 tags and syntax, how it was working and how the syntax was, everything will be explained. So it's like a, in future tutorial it's like a hands-on experience. Wait for next tutorial.
I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll come with the new videos and new tutorials for you.